Hey guys, this is Caleb. I am introducing to you the Literature Resource Center, which is good for both teachers and students because it's a good way to find articles and books and especially in relation to that author. So I'm going to show you a little bit on it. I love this book. If you scroll down, you'll find like a bunch of critical essays in regards to the book. And you'll have the full text. You can also listen to it if you'd rather just listen, and it gives you the author. You can also gives you the option to cite. Pretty easy. Another thing you can do on here is you can go to biographies, in which it gives you when they were alive, and just basically a full biography, which is pretty cool. Because you don't have to go searching for books on it or essays on it. You can just find it here. You can find all of them too. You can also look for search history, titles. You can also bookmark stuff, and there's also a advanced search for if you're looking for like specific things. Anyway, that's Literature Resource Center.